gluten-free cake, super delicious, and there's never any left. We start by adding 3 eggs and 10 ounces of sugar into a bowl. Now it's time to beat these 2 ingredients well. While you beat, watch how the mixture becomes lighter and creamier. This step is important because it helps incorporate air into the batter, which makes the cake lighter and fluffier. Keep mixing until the sugar begins to dissolve well and everything is fully combined. Add 3.4 fluid ounces of milk. Then add 3.4 fluid ounces of oil. And for a special touch, we'll add 6.8 fluid ounces of heavy cream. Now beat everything again very well. Mix gently until all the ingredients are completely incorporated. After that, we'll transfer this mixture to a slightly larger container to make the next step easier. Now let's add the dry ingredients. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking powder with 10.5 ounces of rice flour and start adding this mixture gradually to the batter. This helps prevent lumps and ensures a smooth, uniform texture. Keep mixing patiently until all the flour is incorporated and the batter is nicely homogeneous. Once the batter is ready, we'll set it aside for a moment and prepare the baking pan. Take the pan and spread butter all over the surface. Now sprinkle sugar all over the pan and shake it lightly to distribute evenly. Then sprinkle some cinnamon powder as well. This combination creates a lightly caramelized and fragrant layer on the cake after baking, making it even more irresistible. Now simply pour our batter into the prepared pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. After baking, remove from the oven and let it cool slightly before unmolding. This helps the cake keep its structure and come out perfectly from the pan. Carefully unmold the cake, and look how beautiful it is. Now all that's left is to cut a slice and serve. The texture is soft, the flavor delicate, and the sugar-cinnamon touch on the outside makes it even more special. So tell me, do you prefer this cake with a freshly brewed coffee or a nice hot tea? Because one thing is for sure, after the first slice, it's hard to stop at the second.